Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oatmeal and raisin cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Also, have 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar ready. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, and 1 1/2 cups of raisins. Having everything prepared ensures a smooth baking experience. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with both sugars until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, then stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and cinnamon. Gradually add these dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Finally, gently fold in the 3 cups of oats and 1 1/2 cups of raisins. It's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each. This allows them to spread. Place the baking sheets into your preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until edges are lightly golden brown and centers are just set. Overbaking can make them dry. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before moving to a wire rack. After baking, it's crucial to let your cookies cool properly. Transfer them from the baking sheet to a wire rack after about 5 minutes. This ensures they cool evenly and prevents soggy bottoms. Once completely cooled, store your delicious oatmeal and raisin cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay fresh for up to 3 to 5 days. Now, all that's left is to enjoy your warm, chewy, and perfectly spiced homemade treats with a cold glass of milk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.